This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
What's up, young Padawans? It's your DeFi Jedi back at you once again. You see it on your screen, XDai Tigers. That's what we're going to purchase today. Decided to go ahead and go in on this after looking at the Discord, taking a look at the Twitter following. It's a small community right now, but I think it has potential. It launched on the 25th of October, but as you can see, it is still minting. 5,555 is the mint total. The price is 25 XDai, and as you can see, 1,784 have been minted. So I'm going to go ahead and mint me one now, maybe two. I have a little something in my reserves. I normally keep something in either Aave or some type of money market on each blockchain. Just kind of as a, look at it as like a little bank, like a little safety deposit that I just keep over there just in case I want to scoop up something at some point, like now. And as I said, this is Aave. So if you go into Coinbase and you're looking at different coins, this is one of the coins that you will see in there. It is a platform that you use to lend and borrow. It is 4:02 and the transaction just went through. If you look at the timestamp of when I paused, it was 2:55. No, we can't make this up. That's real time. So anyway, let's keep it moving. What I'm going to do now is come over and connect to the Hop Exchange app so that I can transfer my DAI from the Polygon network to the DAI network. We're going to transfer $55. Let's see how much this costs and if we can get this transaction done. Let's approve that. Looks like I'm going to receive about $53 in DAI. That should be enough to cover my mint. If I'm not mistaken, I think the transactions are pretty inexpensive on that side. It's been a while since I've been on the DAI network. It's very intriguing. 87 cents for a transaction. It's not bad. Okay, as you now can see, I have my 54 XDai on the xDaichain, and I'm ready to go ahead and connect to the XDai Tigers website and go ahead and mint. A total of 25,004. .com bridge is where you want to come to see it there, or you can go to epor.io and get a better look of yours. I'm going to go ahead and mint me another one. You know, right now they're at 1814,555. When you look at the roadmap, it says once they get 50% done, with 50% minute, development of the metaverse land for events will commence. So we'll see how things goes. This is just a long-term play. You know, I just like to do this sometimes. I like to get different assets on different blockchains. That's why I have so many different NFTs in so many different places. And it looks like when you go into the Discord community, you can see that with the low mint count, it looks like people are already going to Eporia and selling below the mint price. So if you guys see this video, go to epor.io or go to Block Scout and look for the XDai Tigers and snatch up everyone that you see that's coming in below mint price. If you see value in the project, go support as well as his channel. Hit that like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell for all new projects like this. I'm going to try to get them to you before they're out, done, and in time. So we're out.